So what's the game plan? Here are your key takeaways. Number 1, talk to your vet about getting your dog vaccinated for the main offenders. Number 2, keep their stuff clean. Wash those bowls, toys, and beds regularly. 3, maybe think twice about using those communal water bowls you see at dog parks. And last, if your dog does get sick, do the right thing and keep them home, away from other dogs, to help break that cycle of infection.
Which really brings us to the final question. Our dogs have social lives now, right? They go to daycare, they play at the park, they go to the groomer, and that's wonderful. But every time they socialize, they're being exposed to whatever other dogs are carrying. It's not really a question of if they'll encounter these germs, it's a question of when. So you have to ask yourself, is your dog protected?